Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to change the color theme in AutoCAD. So now you can see that the theme is black on these different menus. This is the these toolbars and these ribbons. So you can change it by using the options command in the command line, or you can also access that tools from here by clicking on the options and then click on the display. So in the display tab menu there is the color theme. So now you can see that now it is black, so we can change it to light and will apply. So you can see that it will change now. You can see it is changed from the black theme to this light, means from dark to the light. So using this way you can change the theme of the color theme. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.